I mean, it's a different way of heating your home or office, and it's more constant. So I know a lot of people, particularly in the winter, trying to save money, they might be running, and this is for people who are working from homes, probably quite relevant. You might be working from home, but you feel like you can only have the gas on for a couple of hours in the morning when everybody's home and a couple of hours in the evening. Whereas with the heat pump, you can pay the same price, so no cheaper, but you can keep your home running warm the whole day because the way the heat pump works is much more of a sort of ticking over kind of heat rather than gas, which is kind of like, oh, quick, got to put the gas on, kind of warm the place up, and then it cools down again. With the heat pump, you just let it like simmer along, keeping you
Consistent.
constantly warm.